Kyocera Cutting Tools new products. Introducing Kyocera's efficient solid end mills 4TFK and 4TFR for machining difficult-to-cut materials, including heat-resistant alloy, titanium alloy, and stainless steel. The 4TFK and 4TFR are built for smooth chip evacuation during high-feed machining processes by utilizing a large chip pocket and rake angle. The large rake and helix angles reduce cutting forces by 20% while slotting. Burrs are then suppressed due to low cutting resistance. The variable lead and unique unequal spacing between the teeth greatly reduce chattering in the workpiece. Reduced chattering leads to excellent surface finishes. With Kyocera's specialized MEGACOAT Nano coating technology, the 4TFK and 4TFR provide long tool life. Wear was half as much as competitors' products. Try out the powerful performance of the 4TFK and 4TFR high-efficiency end mills for difficult-to-cut materials. Explore the productivity benefits of some of Kyocera's other fantastic tooling solutions. Kyocera's CBN insert grade KBN 475 for high-speed gray cast iron machining. Clamp inserts firmly in one action with the new double clamp boring bar. 6 PFK and 8 PFK high-efficiency multi-edge end mills. 6 and 8 flutes each allow for high-feed shouldering. Easy adjustment easy bar with new internal profiling and long tight bars. For internal profiling, VBMT and VCMT inserts with positive PP chip breakers. Counterboring diameters up to 20 millimeters have been added to the 2 ZDK short type counterbores. New VNGG type SK chip breaker for finishing to semi-finishing machining. Expanded lineup of CA5 series CVD coated carbide grade for steel, realizing long tool life and stable machining. Kyocera continually strives to advance your productivity with innovative and high-quality cutting tool solutions.